Let's make traditional Saaru Pudi. Start by dry roasting mustard seeds, fenugreek and coriander seeds in a little coconut oil. Keep stirring on low heat until fragrant, then add cumin seeds. Set this aside to cool. In the same pan, roast peppercorns in oil. Add both types of red chilies, Guntur and Bydagi. Roast carefully on low heat with curry leaves. Turn off heat and add turmeric and asafoetida. Let everything cool completely. Grind the chilies first. Add all the roasted seeds and grind to a fine powder. Spread to cool before storing. Your aromatic Saaru Pudi is ready to make delicious rasam. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.